Good morning, children. Yes, welcome back to our online classes. Yes, we are revising our syllabus. Yes, today we will discuss about the squares and cubes. Yes, we know that how to obtain a square. Yes, anybody tell me how will you obtain the square of a number? Correct. When a number is multiplied by itself, then we can get a square. Yes, that only we will write. And to obtain a cubes. To obtain a cubes, yes, how will you obtain the cubes? Good. We multiply the number by itself thrice. 3 times we multiply by the number itself. Then we can get a cube. Yes, now square of a number. Square. Yes, squares. Here we can write to obtain yes, square of a number. Square of a number, we multiply a number by the number by itself. By itself. Example, here see, we want square. How will you write? Yes, exponent form. It's exponent 5 square. Yes, square of 5. Yes, then 5 into multiply by itself 2 times. 5 raised to 2 means 5 2 times it is multiplied. Then we can write 5 5s are 25. Yes or no? Then one more number, 7 square. 7 into 7, that is we can write 49. 7 7s are 49. 11 into 11 square. Yes, 11 square, that is 11 into 11. 11 11s are, we can write 121. I told you to add minimum 30. 1 to 30 square numbers of 1 to 30. Yes, here 15 square. We can write 15 into 15, that is 225. Very simple. Yes, this is how will you obtain the square of a number? By multiplying by itself. Multiplying a number by itself, then we can obtain a square of a number. Here about cubes. Cube of a number. Yes, to obtain cube of a number. To obtain cube of a number, yes, we can multiply by the number itself thrice. We multiply the number by itself thrice. Thrice means 3 times. 3 times. Yes, twice is 2 times here. Thrice is 3 times. Once is 1 time, like that. Yes, example we can write. Yes, 2 cube. 2 raised to the power of 3. Then 2 3 times. Same number. 2 into 2 into 2. Then we can write it is 2 cube. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Its value is 8. Like this. 6 cube. Yes, 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 200 and yes 16. We can write 36 6 are 216. Cube of 6. Then here 4 cube. Yes, 4 4s are 16. 16 fours are right. Next 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are yes. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are right. 1000. Yes. This is obtaining the cube of a numbers by multiplying the number, same number, twice it is square, thrice it is a cube. How will you obtain? By multiplying a number by itself 3 times, thrice. Yes, write down these two. Write these two, then we will write the cubes of 1 to 20 and square numbers of 1 to 20. Yes. Very simple to get the square of a number or cube of a number. Yes or no? I hope all are getting these points. Just find the squares of the numbers 1 to 20. Find the squares of the numbers 1 to 20. Yes, here we can write 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square. Say with me. 9. Yes. 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. Next. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square, 64. 9 square, 81. 10 square, yes, 100. Next, 11 square, 121. 12 square, 144. 13 square, 169. 14 square, 196. 15 square, 225. Let's write this. Then 16 square, 256. 17 square, 289. 18 square, 324. 19 square, yes, 19 square, 381. So 361. 20 square, 400. Yes, these are the square of the numbers 1 to 20. Write these neatly in your notebook. Write down and memorize it. Remember these numbers. You should not forget. Yes. And after this, we can solve some questions. Yes or no? Simplify. You know to solve. Simplify. Five square plus 3 square. Yes, 5 square is what? 25 plus 3 square. Right. 34. Very simple. 9 square plus 11 square. What's the 9 square? 81. 11 square 121. Then 202. What is the answer? 202. Simple now. You can take any number addition, square numbers. see 14 square plus 12 square. 14 square we can write 196 plus 144. Yes, what is the answer? 196 plus 4, 200 plus 140, 340. Yes or no? 4, 6, 10, 1 carry. 1, this 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, again 1 carry, 1, 1, 1, 3. Yes. 17 square plus 3 square. What is 17 square? 289 plus 3 square and 9. 298 is the sum. Yes, like this subtraction also you can take. Yes or no? Write this. Very simple simplification of the square numbers. Yes, E 16 square minus 4 square. Yes, we can write what is the 16 square? 256 minus 4 square, 16. What is the sum? What is this answer? Yes, 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus, there is no number, then we can write 240. F. Yes, 12 square minus 5 square. What is the 12 square? 144 minus 25. Yes, 144. 4 minus 5 is 9. Again 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus, there is no number, 119. Yes. Ten square minus 6 square. 10 square is 100 minus 36. It is 10 minus 4 is 6 is 4. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus, there is no number, 64. Simple with subtraction or addition. 18 square minus, what's the number given? 6 square. 18 square is 324 minus 36. Yes, 14 minus 6 is 8. 1 minus 11 minus 3 is 8. It is 2 reduced to 288. Yes, write this. This simplification A to H. Write neatly in your notebook. After this, you can see about the cube numbers 1 to 20. Cube numbers of 1 to 20 and some simplifying about that. Yes, here we can write, find the cube of the numbers 1 to 20. Find the cube of the numbers 1 to 20. Yes, we can find the cube of numbers 1 to 20. Very easy it is. Yes, right here. First, 1 cube, we can write 1. How many times you multiply? Yes, 1 into 1 into 1. Again it will come 1 only. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are, yes, 1 2 2 2. It is 2 cube. We can write 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 cube, 4 4s are 16. Sorry, 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 5 5s are 5 cube, 25. 25 5s are, it is equals to 125. Yes. Next, 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. We can write 216. Next, 7 cube, 7 into 7 into 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are, yes, 343. 343. 8 cube, 8 8s are 64. 64 8s are, yes, 400. 512. Okay, like 512. It is 8 cube. 9 cube, 10 cube. Yes, 9 into 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are, yes, 729. 10 cube, 10 into 10 100. 100 into 10 1000. Yes. Next, 11 cube, 11 into 11 into 11. Yes, we can 11 11s are 121. 121 into 11 1331. 12 cube, 12 into 12 144 into 12. We can multiply, yes or no? 144 into 12, yes, that is 1728. 13 cube, 13 into 13 into 13. Yes, that is equals to 2197. 169 into 30. 14 cube, 14 into 14 into 14. 14 14s are 196 into again 14, 2744. 2744. Yes. 15 cube, 15 15s are 125. Sorry, 225 into 15. We can write, yes, that is answer 3375. 3375. Yes. After this, write this on 16 cube, 17 cube, 18 and up to 20. 16 cube we will write. Sixteen cube, 16 into 16, into 16. 4096. 17 cube. 17 into 17 into 17. Yes, that is equals to 4900. Yes, 13. 4913. 17 square is 289. Again 17. 289. 17 times 18. 18 into 18 into 18. Yes, the cube of 18 is 5832. 5832. Yes, 19 cube, 20 cube. Yes, 19 cube is equals to 6859. And 20 cube, that is equals to 8000. We can write. Let's write down these cube numbers 1 to 20. Same how we simplified, or like that also we can simplify here the numbers, or we can write without calculating 20 cube, 30 cube, 40 cube, like that. Now simplify some questions. Addition and subtraction together, or addition subtraction separate of these cube numbers. Here pi cube plus pi square. Simplify plus pi square. What is the value of pi cube? Yes, 5 is 25 into 5 is 125 plus 25, and that 150. Yes, next 8 cube plus 2 cube. 8 cube plus 2 cube. What is the 8 cube? 512 plus 2 cube is 8. 520 is the answer. Yes or no? Next, you can write any number. Subtraction also. 10 cube minus 3 cube. 10 cube is 1000 minus 3 cube is 27. Yes, this is 973. We can write D. Yes, 7 cube minus 7 square. 7 cube is what? Yes, 343 minus 49. 7 square. 3 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. It is 2. 294. Yes, one more. 6 cube minus 2 cube. 6 cube, 36 is 200. 16 minus 8. 208 we can write. Simple. Yes, write down these also. And without actual multiplication, we can find the square and cube of some numbers, that is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that. Very simple that is. Why? We know already how to get the square. If 10 square, 1 after 2 zeros. Like that. 20 square, 22 square is what? Here. Find the without actual multiplication. Find the squares of these numbers without actual multiplication. Find the squares of these numbers without actual multiplication. Yes, here 20 square. 20 square we can write, it's a very easy. What is that? 2 square. 2 square is what? Yes, 4. Then after that 2 zeros you can write, means 20 square is equals to, we can write 2 square is 4, then 2 zeros, 400 is the answer. Yes, like this. Here 30 square. 30 square. What is 30 square? 3 square is 9, then 2 0, 9. Yes, 50 square. 5 square is 25 and 2 0. Yes, 50 into 50, that is 2500. Like this. 80 square. What is 80 square? 80 into 8, that is 64 and 2 0. Yes, 90 square. 8100. Same way cube root also. For find the cube, not root, cubes of these numbers without actual multiplication. Without actual multiplication. Yes. Example, very simple. Here 20 cube is nothing but 2 cube is what? 2 cube is 8. 8 after 3 zeros. Zeros. Here 2 zeros, here 3 zeros. Then we can write 20 cube is equals to 8 and 3 0, 8000. Yes, same 30 cube. 3 cube is what? 27 and 3 0. See it one. 40 cube. 4 cube is 64. Then 3 0. 80 cube. What is 8 cube? Yes, there is 512 and 3 zeros. 5,12,000. Simple, no? Yes. 60 cube. 6 cube is 216 and 3 0. 2,16,000. Simple, no? Yes, write down these also. After this, again some simplifying, some questions are there that we can solve very easily. Write this. Very simple this. Is simplify 2 cube raised to 2. Yes, 2 cube raised to 2. This we can write, yes, 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 raised to 2. This is nothing but, yes, again, or this means 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. This 2 square is 4 into 4 into 4. Or directly we can take 2 cube is 8, 8 square. 2 cube is what? 8. 8 square is 64. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. Simple note. The answer is 64. Like this. One more. 3 square raised to 3. Yes. 3 square cube. 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. Yes. Here 9 into 9 into 9. 9 cube. Value of 9 cube, that is 729. We can write 9 into 9, 9 into 9, 9 into 9. See one. Yes. 5 square raised to square. This is 5 square into 5 square. 25 into 25, 625. 25 square. Yes. Next, 4 cube raised to 2. 4 cube is 64. 64 into 64. We can multiply. Yes or no? Yes. 4 cube is 64. With actual multiplication, 64 4s are, yes, 256. 64 6s are 2 carry, 6 is 36, 38, 384. Then we can get 4096. 4096 is the answer. Yes. Write this. With this we completed a lesson. It is squares and cubes. About the squares and cubes revision we completed. If you get any doubt, you can give a call to me. In next class we will discuss about the addition of all the numbers. Addition of large numbers, addition of fractions, decimals, rupees and paise and measurements. All together about the addition operation we will see in the next class. Okay.